Hey guys, I am MidNite, and I brought a new video here for you guys, and I'm going to teach you how to apply acrylic paint to fabric. So let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our paint palette and we're going to put the paint on it, and we're going to add the conditioner to it and stir it in together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a control, and then I'm going to show you the experiment. So with the control, I'm just going to take the paint itself and I'm going to apply it to the fabric. And as we're applying it to the fabric, we see that it doesn't flow very smoothly. It bunches up a lot. And the problem with this is that acrylic paint has plastic polymer in it, so it will harden and when it dries. So the next one that I'm going to show you is the experiment. So we have our paint right here, and I'm going to take some conditioner, the kind you use for your hair. And you just put in about the same amount of conditioner as you would paint. That actually came out pretty good. So you're going to mix these two together. And you want to make sure that you're using a white, clear, or translucent conditioner, not one that's highly pigmented, because you don't want it to change the color of the paint. So once we get this thoroughly mixed up right here, you'll see that it has a much different consistency than the other paint. So we're going to go ahead and take this paint right here, the experiment one with the conditioner, and we're going to draw on the fabric with the paint. And as you see, it flows a bit smoother, it's a bit more dense, it has better coverage. So what are you guys painting on your fabric? I want to see. Make sure you guys send me some pictures. Alright guys, we have returned. It took about a day to dry and to cure, but let's go ahead and see what had happened. So when we have the piece of fabric with the conditioner mixed into the fabric, it is still very pliable, very movable and bendy. But then look what happened to the piece of fabric that has the paint on its own. It's cracking, it's brittle, and if you were painting on a shirt, it would be very stiff compared to how flowy this one is. So I took a little bit of extra time to design this nice little piece right here. Art is love, and I'm going to be adding it to a project that we'll be working on. So if you guys want to see what it is that this is going to become a part of, you're going to have to tune in to one of the next videos, and I'll see you guys later. Once again, with Anto Cultural Arts, I am MidNite, and guys, keep learning and keep creating.